Hello, and welcome to Speak English Easily, your go-to podcast for improving your English listening skills. Today, we're having a simple, casual conversation that will help you practice everyday English. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started.
Hey, Mike. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Emma. I've been really busy with work lately, but I'm doing well. How about you?
Same here. Work's been crazy, but I managed to find some time to relax. I actually just came back from a short trip to the mountains.
Let's take a quick pause here. Did you notice the phrases Emma used? Long time no see is a casual way of greeting someone you haven't seen in a while. And I managed to find some time means she was able to make time despite her busy schedule. Now let's continue.
That sounds amazing. I wish I could get away for a bit. Where did you go exactly?
We went to the Blue Ridge Mountains. The view was breathtaking. I spent the whole weekend hiking and taking in the fresh air.
Wow, that must have been so relaxing. I should plan a trip like that soon. It's been ages since I've had a proper break.
You definitely should. It's good to disconnect from work once in a while.
In this conversation, Mike says, "It's been ages," which is a common way to say it's been a long time. And when Emma says, "It's good to disconnect," she means it's important to take a break from daily routines. These are great phrases to use in your own conversations.
Anyway, enough about me. What's new with you, Mike?
Well, I've recently started a new hobby. I've been learning to cook.
That's awesome. You'll have to invite me over for dinner sometime.
We'll stop here for today. If you enjoyed this conversation and want more listening practice, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to comment with your favorite new word or phrase from today's podcast. Until next time, keep practicing and speak English easily. Thanks for tuning in to Speak English Easily. We hope you found this conversation useful for your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more episodes and keep improving your English with us.